Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute mini envelope that I will use like a sort of a bag for my gift. I was in need of a gift for this necklace, and so I thought of creating this super cute envelope where you can put your jewelry like in this way, and then you can close this with a paper heart, or you can close with a peg like in this case, or you can put a sticker so it will be stay closed. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute mini envelope. We will need a square piece of paper, and we will need to fold this paper here in half, in here, voila. So we will have this line. Okay, now we will need to fold this part here in this way. Okay, voila. And then we will need to fold this part in this way. Okay, now we will need to, with this part we will need to fold our envelope in this way. Okay, so we will have this kind of envelope, and we will need to fold this inside. Voila. Now this part towards here. Okay, and now this part here. Okay, now we will need to fold this final part here. Voila, and our mini envelope is ready to be used. Voila. But we need to do this. You will need to fold inside this part, fold this part inside, and here our finished envelope. Voila. I suggest that you glue this part with some little drops of white glue, so our envelope will be more strong. Voila. Voila, here inside, and then you can put your gift, your jewels here. Voila. And then with the peg, that's quite nice, or with the stickers here. I think they are so nice, and you can use it in many different ways. If you love scrapbooking, you can use also this for your scrapbooking items. It's quite nice. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.